You don't need to be math genius to crack quant section in CAT. What you need is clear syllabus, a detailed syllabus, enough number of questions to practice all concepts of all topics, small and easy milestone which will keep motivating you. Today, I'm going to walk you through all three. Hello students, my name is Shamanawat and I welcome all of you in today's video. Well, let's make it discussion. I want you to write your point of view on this topic in the comment box. CAT exam has three sections: VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension; data interpretation and logical reasoning, second section. The third section is quantitative aptitude, your favorite one, right? Quant section has 22 questions which you have to solve in 40 minutes. It's mix of MCQs, which is multiple choice question, and TETA question, where you need to enter the answer. You don't get options there. So in MCQs, for every correct answer, you get +3, and for every wrong, you get -1. No attempt के लिए 0 marks मिलता है. TETA question में एक benefit है, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं, एक benefit है, where if your answer is wrong, there is no negative marking. So TETA question has no negative marking. What does quant section in CAT actually test? It tests your conceptual understanding, accuracy and presence of mind. It does not require you to be masters in calculation. हाँ, कैलकुलेशन में आपको महारत हासिल करने की बहुत ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर अवेलेबल. लेकिन टेबल्स याद करके चले जाना. टेबल्स टिल 20, स्क्वायर्स टिल 25, क्यूब्स टिल 10 एंड 2 to the power 1 से 2 to the power 10 तक के वैल्यूज आपको याद होने चाहिए, सो दैट यू डोंट वेस्ट टाइम इन यूजिंग ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर फॉर इजी कैलकुलेशन. वी कैन डिवाइड क्वांट सेक्शन इन 4 पार्ट: अर्थमेटिक, algebra, geometry, modern maths and number theory, where arithmetic and algebra take major share. You get almost 70% of the questions from these two parts. I'll tell you the reason. देखो, arithmetic में topics कौन से होते हैं? Percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, speed time distance, ratio proportion, mixtures allegation, partnership, averages. ये सारे topics, these all topics are very much related to your routine life. As you know, it is quantitative aptitude and not maths. Aptitude means problems which you come across in routine life. If you look at the topics of arithmetic, you will understand that ये topics तो आपको generally देखने मिलते हैं. जैसे अगर आप किसी शॉप पे जाते हो और डिस्काउंट ऑफर होता है तो डिस्काउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. अगर आपको किसी वर्क के वॉल्यूम को मेजर करना है, सो यू यूज व्हाट? मेन इनटू आवर्स. एंड दैट इज व्हाई these topics are favorite topics in aptitude. And algebra, you cannot get rid of algebra. आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए इक्वेशन तो फॉर्म करनी ही पड़ती है. सो हैविंग मास्टरी इन अलजेब्रा इज मस्ट. सो लेट्स सी द डिटेल सिलेबस ऑफ क्वांट सेक्शन ऑन स्क्रीन. Here we have arithmetic section. You can see percentage, profit and loss, और उसके साथ में आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या है? The concepts which you need to cover in that particular topic. Yes, that's why this detailed syllabus is important. So it's not only percentage, but आपको percentage में minimum क्या क्या concept cover करना है, उसका भी list आपके पास होना चाहिए. Now, here you have arithmetic. Then if you scroll down, you got algebra. Here I started the algebra syllabus from basics of algebra, linear equation, quadratic equation and so on. I have geometry here, then modern maths and number system as well. Now, if you see for each concept, how you should make use of the syllabus copy. हर concept का मैंने link दिया हुआ है. So if you click on this link here, you can see it's a YouTube free link, मुफ्त में है, free resource है. Link पे click करोगे, you will jump to the video which is explaining you this concept here. Also, next to that you have a blank space where you can tick mark कि अगर आपने concept complete कर लिया है, tick mark it. तो आपको करना क्या है? You got to print out this. आपके पास दोनों copy होना चाहिए. You got to have soft copy of this syllabus. You got to have one hard copy as well. Hard copy where you can tick mark that this topic has been done. That will help you to keep progress of your studies. I'll give you the link of this PDF in the description box. Now, how many questions are enough to practice from each topic? 60 to 70 is my recommendation. Yes, you heard it right. 60 to 70 questions from each topics are enough. You don't have to master any topic. आपको किसी भी एक टॉपिक पे PhD नहीं करनी है. You should divide, you should spread your time across the syllabus. I have seen some students who keep solving questions from one particular topic. जैसे जैसे वो सॉल्व करते हैं उनका वो टॉपिक स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते जाता है. जैसे जैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते जाता है उनको इंटरेस्ट आने लगता है सिर्फ उसी टॉपिक पे, एंड दे फील वेरी हेजिटेंट टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. आपको ये मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम ईच टॉपिक, देन यू नीड टू जंप ऑन मिक्स क्वेश्चन. मिक्स क्वेश्चंस वेयर you have more than one concepts involved to solve one question. For example, You have a speed time distance question where you need concept of quadratic equation. You have a profit and loss question where you required inequality. अब आप ये बात बताओ, आप ऐसे मिक्स क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे कैसे जब तक आपने सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं किया है? Did you understand my point? So don't only focus on any one topic. You need to spread your time throughout across the syllabus. Now after this, अभी तो रुको, और भी बाकी है. So you have completed 60 to 70 questions from each topic. आपने mixed questions किए हैं, mixed concept question किए हैं. After that, you need to solve at least last 7 years of question paper of CAT exam. These many questions you need to complete to make your quant section strong. You can make group of chapters. For example, percentage with profit and loss and simple interest, compound interest. Because profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, they are applications of percentage. If you understand percentage topic very well, if you make the concept of, if you make the foundation of percentage topic strong, then you can handle the applications very easily. You can take ratio proportion with mixture alligation, speed time distance, and work in time. Again, these three are the application of ratio proportions. So again, ratio proportion का concept आपको बहुत strong करना है. And you know what? Percentage and ratio proportion is must to solve data interpretation questions. So do you understand? Percentage and ratio proportion के ऊपर कितने सारे topics depend करते हैं. Similarly, if you study linear equation and quadratic equation with graphs, then you can manage with the other topics of algebra very easily. I believe every student is unique. You may have different interests, you may come from different qualification background like BBA, BCom, engineering, BPharm, architect, CA. Each one of you may have different strength and weakness in context of this syllabus. You can connect with me on this WhatsApp number so that we can discuss one-on-one your strength and weakness, and accordingly I can give you a personalized study plan with weekly target so that you can score well in quant section. Common mistakes which you can avoid. Solving too many questions from one topic. Big no. Keep collecting study material, downloading PDF, joining Telegram group, watching some YouTube motivational videos, but not taking step 1, not starting with chapter number 1 is bad. Focusing on the topics which you find easy and not spreading your time across the syllabus is big no. While practicing questions, not analyzing what went wrong and move to the next question can cause you trouble. Here I advise, even if your answer is correct, please look at the solution of material which you are referring to. Sometimes you may get right answer with wrong method as well. And who knows, maybe the solution has better approach to solve the question. So if you're watching this video and not started your CAT preparation yet, then you can find the concept classes, concept lectures of each topic on this YouTube channel itself. You can go on the playlist and find the topic to start with. As I said earlier, you can download the syllabus which I've shown you. Detailed syllabus है, आप उसको download करो. Keep a soft copy, keep a printout so that you can keep track of your progress by marking which concept you have covered. You can also click on the concept name which will take you to the YouTube video where I'm explaining that concept. And this is how you can start your CAT preparation without any investment. If you want to have a structured study material with more practice question and one-on-one doubt solving with mentorship for your CAT exam preparation, then you can join my course on our website, which will cost you just 1,500 rupees per module. It's not much. And start your CAT preparation today. Save this video and share it with your study partner and let me know in the comment when are you starting with your CAT preparation. Once again, my name is Shyam Manawat. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep learning.